Well, it's very soggy outside. Lots of rain. Of course, 'tis the season. So, I'll let you guys hang out with me and go do some soggy homestead chores today. Stay tuned. Hello folks, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host Jerry Hansen. I'm going to do some soggy homestead chores. It's raining like crazy out here. Let me get my boots on. So if you're going to have a soggy farm, lots of mud, it's wise to get you a good pair of boots. I picked these boots up from an estate cleanup. I've been doing a lot of estate cleanups over the last several years. I'll leave a link up here for you guys to check out that set of videos that I've created. I've gotten all kinds of awesome treasures from these estate cleanups. Let's go navigate through my new gravel paths that I laid out this last summer and do some farm chores in this pouring rain. Yeah, my gate clasp broke off, so I went and put a bungee cord on here. And that bungee cord works excellent. It keeps the livestock in and it keeps the gate closed for me because the ducks and the geese, they're not going to open that gate. I don't have any problems with it. And you can't push it open, and primarily that's what the deer would do if you stay on this side. It works out great for me. Yeah, I'm keeping the chickens locked away for the rainy season so they don't get all wet. The duck and goose food dispenser is really easy. I made it super easy. I just grab my feed and then dump it down the chute and it feeds them outside. I'll leave a link up there to check out this new fancy feeder. And I keep it closed off with this so rodents don't get in. But I also keep my feed in these metal trash cans so rodents can't get to my feed. Also, I want to show you my jerry rig. This helps me lift the hay bales up into the loft up there. I did a block and tackle setup on a overhead track and trolley barn door sliding barn door track and trolley system. And I just lift the bales up with this and then slide it right on to the hayloft. It makes it so easy so I can use what manly muscles I do have and put the bales up. I've got this well stocked. It holds 15 bales. I also, on the other end of the rope, keep attached this, it's a utility knife, sheetrock knife, and that's just to cut the straps on the bales, and it's zip tied, so I never lose it. It's always handy. That's yet another jerry rig invention I put together to help make my life so much easier and my chores easier. But today, it's just a day of soggy chores. Let's get this fed to the girls. There you go, girls. They're spoiled. They're getting fat. Yes, you are. They aren't quite 2 years old yet. They will be in a couple of months, but they were old enough to breed this fall, and I bred them. So we've got babies due in March, and these little goats here, these are Nubian. I purchased them from a neighbor lady behind me. I've purchased goats from her over the years and raised goats. And this line always gives me triplets. I gotta go feed the boys, so let's do that. Oh, we have a little bit of a break in the rain. Turkeys need to be fed. Notice their feed thing is empty. Hey, oh, these lights, I bought 3 of them from a local market. They're motion activated and they're charged by solar. These are excellent. I got them spaced out around my farm. I'm gonna find some more of them and install them. They are wonderful for especially these short days, long nights. All right, boys. There you go. My billy goats stink like ammonia. Of course, they pee on themselves all the time. I wanted to reconfigure this gate here. This is kind of annoying. Okay, let's go take care of the rest of the livestock. I gotta make sure the rabbits have water. And food. I love these top access bottles. It makes filling them really easy with the garden, so long as the garden hose is not frozen. And then I'll make sure their feed dishes are filled up. I got a new vacuum cleaner here from an estate cleanup. So this one works a lot better than the other one that I salvaged from one of my first estate cleanups. It was a wet vac that I restored. I got that free wet vac and restored the cord for it. So I'll leave a link up there for that so you can see what I've been doing on acquiring things that I can use on the homestead. Just lay this down out here. I gotta build a better system, a watering system for the bunny bungalow. I did buy some features to install in here, but I got so busy this last summer and fall with other projects that I didn't get them installed. I've got a new watering system for the turkey house, the chicken house, and the rabbit house. I just have to jerry rig it and install it, and that'll give me something to do later this spring on getting it up and running. And it'll be self-watering. It'll be very minimal need for me to have to input anything. So let's get these guys fed. This too, I keep the feed in a metal trash can to keep the rodents from eating them. Make sure they're good and full, because I work the next 2 days, those long 12-hour shifts. The bunny bungalow, which is this, it has solar panels on it as well, just like the barn. So I can have light out here, and I had intended to run incubators out here off the solar. So that didn't work out yet, but I do have all the components to build a big incubator. I bought automatic egg turners. I bought heating elements. I bought thermostat controls. I'm building an epic incubator this spring. Stay tuned for that. Speaking of incubators, I made a mistake down here at the chicken coop. Now I gotta make sure the chickens have water and feed, and it looks like they too are out of feed. And I'll share with you guys a visual of my mistake I made. I get so busy with work that sometimes I don't get out here and collect my eggs. Let's get these guys some water, fresh water. I've got to do something about you guys too. Get you some new fresh bedding. Get some more wood chips, wood shavings. And clean out their chicken house. Lots of chores, but I'll save that for later this week because I have a long stretch off from work. But right now we're just trying to get them fed. Okay, girls and gentlemen, let's get that filled. Wait right here, I'll be right back. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. How do you spell farm? E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a bow bow there. Here a quack, there a honk, everywhere a gobble gobble. And of course, rabbits are kind of like quiet. If you heard a rabbit scream, I've heard a rabbit scream. Yeah, after he finished mounting a doe, the buck started screaming. Okay, let me show you my boo-boo. I missed about a week of collecting eggs. Now I'm in trouble. I have a broody hen. I guess that's going to be okay. We'll see how well it goes. But doggone it. Maybe that'll be okay. We'll see. We've had a really mild winter. I got to go take care of the turkeys, make sure they have fresh water. Yeah, the water's okay. I'll just make it fresh. Okay, girls and gentlemen, no turkey eggs yet. Okay, I got to get these guys some new bedding in here and out there. I think I'll establish Saturday for cleaning out, cleaning up, and drying up, and getting these guys some better bedding. I got to get them some feed. All right, be right back. They must be hungry. Yep. I don't mind homestead chores. It's just kind of enjoy the activity, the vigor and the vim, taking care of the farm animals. Okay, here you guys go. Let's see if I can drain some of this stuff off. Ugh. Ugh. All right, you. It's puddling. I'm gonna go grab a couple of egg cartons. I left these up here at the barn the other day, intending to collect eggs. I got sidetracked. To be honest with you, the barnyard doesn't smell that great this time of year. Okay, let's see who's doing what. Aha. I hard boil these eggs at 6 at a time. I use them for my breakfast through the week as part of my modified nutritional diet. Yeah, you stay there on your eggs. You're fine right there, Miss Biddy. We'll float these eggs before I hard boil them. Floating will be a good indication on if they're good or not. There we go. Done. I'm loving my gravel pathways, especially when it's really soggy. And now I am loving this easy open gate. No latches. So that's it on my homestead chores. These are chores I have to do twice a day. Yep, once in the morning, once in the evening. That's the cost of being a farmer. It's also the joy of being a farmer. I really enjoy this. I don't count this a curse at all. Like in my title, Pine Meadows Hobby Farm, a frugal homestead. The title says it all. For me personally, this homestead is a hobby for me. I really enjoy what I'm doing. Yes, it costs some money out of pocket, but I don't let it get too carried away, and it does have a monetary return at times. So at the end of the year, we try to balance it out, which that's what I'm going over right now is all my balance sheets. I take my boots off. Don't want them in the house. I want to thank you guys for joining me on my little adventure on just showing you what it's like to have soggy day of chores here on the homestead. Please stay tuned to more videos. You could do that by subscribing, clicking that bell icon. That alerts you to new videos as I do upload them. And also, click that share button. Sharing my videos on your social media platforms really helps out the channel a lot. Oh, what you can also do is like the show and also leave a comment or a compliment. I don't mind reading your compliments. I actually enjoy reading your questions and your comments that you have and your ideas on something I could do better. Also, always remember, be safe and always be kind. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go look and see what's growing in my garden on this January 5th. Yeah. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.